Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdygirlreviews, and this is the follow-up video for the biodegradable balloons, I believe, also available via Amazon.com. I'm not sure of the pronunciation for this brand, Xaumoi. Forgive me, but if you know how to pronounce it, please leave the comment down below in the comment section below. But yes, this is the brand, and we're doing an unboxing. So stay tuned for the goodies. All right, this is going to be a quick video because it's not so big, but let's see. Dun, dun, dun. This is available also on Amazon and Amazon Prime. So yes, if you are in a pinch, you need some balloons real quick. Yes, so this is the brand. And as you can see, yes, they're definitely, I think they're biodegradable, but also in memory, loving memory. I have some wording on it. But yes, they come in handy for sure when it comes to celebrations. I'm sure that there's a number of other things that can be shared or expressed on the balloon itself. So there you have it, y'all. If you have a helium tank to go with it, like balloon time, then you're golden. And like they say on the box, it's best adjusted to definitely inflate your balloons an hour or two prior to your event. So if you would like to see the unboxing for balloon time, please hit any link that I link here or in the description box below, and yeah, you will see that unboxing. So there you have it. Xaumoi or Moi, I'm sorry. That's the brand for the biodegradable balloons for any occasion, and of course the helium tank balloon time. So all right, y'all, please stay tuned for my follow-up video. I'll be doing a couple of other unboxings, and stay tuned for that. Again, everything is available on Amazon, Amazon Prime, and just look that up and have fun, and hopefully you'll enjoy this holiday season with a little more zhuzh, either Christmas or New Year's, whatever the occasion, birthdays, whatever the occasion. All right, y'all, we will be right back. Until next time, XOXO, Nerdy Girl.